How to fix Marvel Rivals GPU crash. I'm going to tell you how to fix Marvel Rivals when your GPU crash. If Marvel Rivals keep crashing due to your GPU, start by updating your graphics card. Whether you're using Nvidia or AMD, go to their official website and download the latest version. Don't rely on Windows Update. Next, make sure your game files aren't corrupted. On Steam, right-click Marvel Rivals, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. If you're still crashing, try lowering your in-game graphics, especially shadows, textures, and any ray tracing options. Also, disable any overclocking software like MSI Afterburner just to rule out instability. Finally, turn off third-party overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience. They sometimes interfere. If none of that works, try running the game in windowed mode or updating DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Most crashes come down to outdated drivers or unstable settings, so start there and tweak until it runs smoothly.